won't stop the beat and go.
One of the things I'm proudest of when I was Social Protection Minister was the pay-related job seekers benefit. Here's Richard Bruton on a boat in Howth to explain more.
Let me break it down for you. Imagine that this life jacket is the new pay-related job seekers benefit.
Thanks, Richard, for that. On June the 7th, please give me your number one vote in Dublin.
Ireland used to have the highest home ownership in the EU. Then Fine Gael spent almost 10 billion euros of taxpayer money on housing assistance payments to landlords. Fine Gael has made housing a money-making game for the rich, and we're all paying the price. It's time for change.
I searched for my spark and I found it. Everybody in the crowd start bouncing. Think you can stop what we do? I doubt it. We got the energy, we tell you all about it.
I'm looking for a man in finance, trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes, finance, trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes, finance, trust fund, 6'5", blue eyes.
Tell him to put up his one. Up, you're going. Up. Hold it up. Here we go, look.